I get 2 Marima moss balls as a bonus that comes with cherry shrimp on May 9th, 2019. Marima moss balls are a type of slow-growing filamentous algae that looks great in aquariums as it is. I used 2 Marima balls of the same size to make a seesaw. Previously I made driftwood out of a chopstick. The chopstick is too thick. Use a sharp blade to split the chopstick lengthwise into 2 parts. I need just 1 part for the seesaw. Here I use a cork from a wine bottle to make a float. A third of the cork would do for this size seesaw. Drill a hole through the cork. Sharpen both ends of the stick. Tie a fishing line making a sliding loop at the middle of the stick. The sliding loop can be moved along the stick to balance the seesaw. Tie the other end of the fishing line to the cork float. Later you may need to readjust the length of the line between the stick and the float. I make it about 10 cm long now and loop some spare line around the float for later. Screw a Marima ball on each side of the stick. We have made the seesaw. I put the seesaw in my dinosaur head aquarium. The seesaw is tilted on one side. Slide the fishing line along the stick to balance the seesaw. The seesaw looks very nice in an aquarium. The Marima ball seesaw makes a fancy place for shrimp to promenade. Shrimp like Marima balls. The slow-growing Marima balls are great for low-maintenance aquariums like this one. Here you can see the Marima ball seesaw about 6 months later on October 25th. Now it is a part of larger design composition that looks pretty cool. Have fun and happy aquariums!